Hello everyone, welcome to my website. My website is called Dannysaur and it's meant to be a book review website with a little bit of a personal blog in it, but along with the same theme of books and literature and all of that. This is my homepage. I wanted to make it like very earthy looking. It has a quote right there and then just an overview of what the website is. I decided to add that section of Song of the Week just to put a little bit of fun in it. And then here this part of recent reviews. This is just a template of what it will look like when I actually start doing the reviews, and they're meant to be buttons that lead to the actual blog, the actual reviews. And then you click on here, and it takes you to the page of where all the blog in general is. And then we have recent blogs, which is what I actually did the content for, and it gives you an overview of it. And this is just more like a lifestyle. And I decided to do like an introductory blog saying why it is called Dannysaur and why it means something to me. Then we have, and this is just the overview of the blogs page in general. Then we have a contact that it has a little bit of an about section with a picture of me, and just they can contact me in here. And then for the store, I actually enjoyed this because I got to design those 3 products. If you click on it, it just takes you to a description of it. It gives you the material, well, over here the material and the inspiration and the size of it. And yeah, obviously those products are just for the class, but I really enjoy getting to make everything part of the theme, and I actually think that was also one of the most difficult parts because there's so much to edit. Like right now I can show you the shop part of it and it still looks like earthy and everything, but if you go to like the checkout, there's still some blue default stuff that WordPress has when you first start using it. So yeah, making sure that every detail is part of the theme, I think, was the hardest part. And the menu, I had a lot of issues with the menu, that it would disappear, but that let me learn a lot on how to enable it and disable it whenever I wanted, which I found out is really useful when you're doing a sales page and you don't want people to just navigate away from the message you're trying to do. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I'm open to any feedback, and thank you.